In this video, we'll go over how to join an event offer. So from an event idea page, we scroll down, go to the offers tab, and click on the event offer. From here, you'll see a join waitlist. So before the waitlist expires date, you'll be able to reserve tickets. After the waitlist expires date, you'll be able to purchase tickets directly. If we choose one, we can go ahead and join the waitlist with one reservation. If we go with more than one, let's say 4, we're given this option, all or none. So if the event actually goes forward, meaning if there are more than 4 attendees by the waitlist expires date, then our order will be processed. Whether it would be processed in partial or full depends on this option. If we want a quantity of 4, and say by the time it gets to our point in the waitlist, let's say when our order is being processed, there are 3 tickets left. Well, if we select partial, then we'll get 3 tickets and it will complete our order. If we select all or none, since there are only 3 tickets left and we want 4, our order would be canceled. So in this case, let's go with partial and join the waitlist. Here we successfully joined the waitlist and we can't reserve any more since we've hit the max reserve quantity. Thanks for watching.